Welcome back to the second episode of Volunteering for Nature Society Singapore Outreach. Today, I will share with you what I did as a volunteer. But before I was able to talk to the public, I had to go through some training. This is my trainer with me and my brother and sister. Now, I am ready to talk to the public. My mother managed to catch me in action.
The creature in the sea. How are we going to save it?
On Sister's Island, some people do those seashell casting in the mud. So sometimes, the horseshoe crab?
Yes.
Sometimes they get caught in the net. And once one of them gets caught in the net, a lot of them come and try to seize the horseshoe crab, but then the rest they also get caught. They will free the horseshoe crab from the net.
I see. So that means you mean we save the creature by not throwing things in the sea, right? The plastic bottles, whatever you drink, the straw you cannot throw. Correct.
I really enjoyed this experience very much. I am happy that I was able to do something for the environment. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please like and subscribe.